Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Just taking a look at the US30, got it open on a 4-hour chart. I'll just go quickly out to the daily and I'll show you what I've got marked up here. I'll explain that and then we'll go down time frame and I'll give you my thoughts on this. I've been watching this purple zone here. So what we've got is this thin candle on the left. If we look left, we've got the low of the candle previous, and then we've got the high on this candle here. This imbalance, I've been anticipating or expecting the market to fill this. This level above here, point of interest, is a 4-hour, say, distribution level. I've been thinking that, we could see the market push through this gap into this level here. So possibility. So we've also got, if we have a look at this from this perspective, we've got a diagonal running through here, 3-point touch, there and there, and we're right at the crossroads here, and kind of been hovering all through the London session. Now we're about to head into the Asian close, so we could see some movement as the Asian market closes. We'll go down to the lower time frame and we'll look at that. Then on the macro view, we've got this level through here, coincides with this level up here. Just show you that on the 4-hour chart. So these are resistance levels. See this candle back here? So this distribution level. So I've pulled that through there. Right? That coincides with that diagonal. This level through here comes into play with this one. So that's kind of where we are at the moment. All through the London session, this has just been hovering around in here. So my question is, does this look to fill this gap and reach into this 4-hour order block back in here? That's the question. So we might get a little bit of bullish movement and then possibly, it's all hypothetical. We see it retrace from here and we get a short out of it. Now, towards the end of the week, what is it, Thursday? Are they going to price it up in here Thursday and then Friday it drops? It's worth a consideration. So we've got that, and well, at the moment, see this candle here. That is, we've already traded into this resistance, and we've had a go at this. We've got more or less this equal highs running through here. So that's the other thing too. If they're looking to short this, what do we got down here? Look, break of structure there. And if they're looking to short it, is this building a liquidity above that they need, right? It's a consideration, and then they wick it up in for a liquidity sweep. All right, just speak in my mind, guys, and then we get that. Right? But anyway, these are the sort of things that go through my mind when I'm looking at this. From here down to, say, 30-minute, I think I've covered it. That's pretty much sums up where we're at. Like it could trade it. We get a break and retest above this here. That we get a break of this high. That could be an opportunity there to trade it up into these levels here, possibly. Right, but I'd be wanting to see a break of that. I'm probably more inclined to go for a short rather than be chasing this bullish at the moment. Whatever happens here, I'll be looking for that pretty much, and then an opportunity. That's my thoughts. Now, what I do want to do is show you one way that I do approach the markets and get involved here. So let's just go out of here and let me show you the system that I've put together. Here it is, 5-minute chart, no technical analysis. That's a maybe, okay? We've got that. We've got this divergence running through here. Got our dot, but the thing with this is that I've already taken T1. Entry is going to be when this pulls back to the same level there. And my T1 is going to be very tight. I take 2/3 off and then I'll leave the rest. I haven't traded that, by the way, but if I was involved here, T1 here, so it's quick pips or quick money, and then leave the rest of it in to trail and follow it, like trail your stop loss. That's where you definitely make some pips. Some of these are short-lived, but if we go back, you can see what I mean. Like if you leave 30% of your position to run, look at that. That's lucrative. Right. We've had these developed And I mean, the ideal scenario with these alerts is where you start to where you see the market starting to range, where it's sort of trading like that, and we get a combination of this dotted line here as well as these green. This is a divergence signals through here and down here. You'll see that one, and then you've got your dot. We're waiting for around this level for it to pull back into the level, and then there's your trade. Up we go. You can have a look back and you'll find that, well, you wouldn't have taken that because I'm always waiting for the next candle to come back to the level. That's your trade. All right. I don't touch these on a steep trend. I wait for the market to trade sideways. That's your trade there. I don't touch those ones. That one I'm not sure, whether you would have. Once you see it starting to do this, yep, and you got the divergence, well, I mean, if you caught that, look at that outcome. I don't touch that. Preferring, that one, see these lines? This is a daily support level here. And we've also got this orange line is a weekly. So it trades down, bounces back down, you get your dot. You got the divergence, the green divergence lines. That's your trade. Into support, it comes back into it, and some of these are better than others. But I mean, look at that. The thing is, did you catch that? I prefer to see it pull back, and I'm going to get it up there so that maybe not. Anyway, guys, look, if you would like to gain access, now that's your trade. DM me. Look at that. These are on TradingView. There's your payday. There it is right here. All right. If you read that well, you trail that all the way home. Anyway, guys, I'll wrap it up. Join my Discord. It's free. The link is below. You're welcome to that. Great resource for traders. Oh, look. There we go. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and look forward to hearing from you.